So how do you get quick notes on the iPad? Let me explain it and show it to you. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So quick note is a feature which lets you swipe up from the bottom right corner or from bottom left toward the middle and have like the quick note access. There are a few things you need to do to make that work. So at first we open up the settings and we go to the multitasking and gestures section, and in here when you scroll down a little bit more you can see swipe finger from corner gesture. So you need to enable it and also choose what actually happens. So by default it's likely going to be that at the bottom left corner action is taking a screenshot like this, right? So that's probably the thing that you want to keep, whatever. But the bottom right one is the quick note. So as you can see, for me it says quick note, but it might be turned off or set to screenshot, so make sure it is selected the proper way. And right now you can just pull it up like this and have your note in here ready. You can start a new one, just type in whatever you want, and then that's going to be the quick note, which you can always get back to, right? So that's how it works. That's how you can quickly get there. The same thing applies to the Apple Pencil access. You can always get there too, and that's pretty simple and usable. So that's how you can enable it, and that's one part of this. You can also go to the control center and make some edits in here and add a control, and you can technically also add the quick note in here. But you know, if you want to, you have the ability to just go to control center and tap it like so, and it just opens up the quick note as well. But I believe that the gesture is much more practical and usable. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if you managed to get the quick notes on your iPad. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.